Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. Today's video is going to be all about emerald, the rich green wonderful gemstone that's very important for different healing benefits as well. This is what we're going to discuss in today's video. So emerald is amazing. It is actually considered to be very soothing for the eye. It's very calming as well, and it contains different shades of green. There's also a little bit of yellow, a little bit of blue in the stone, and it's believed to have a warming, balancing and cooling energy to it as well, and specifically really important for the heart chakra. It's important for self-love, it's important for radiating love to other people as well. And emerald is a wonderful crystal that contains chromium and iron as well as one of the main minerals in emerald, and it also contains tiny inclusions and also other flaws, which is quite normal. Emerald grows in metamorphic layers of rock under pressure, so the size of the gem is usually small, and there are also quite rare large examples of emerald as well. So emerald is mostly sourced in Colombia, which is considered the producer of the astonishing emerald associated with the Aztec Empire, and it's also believed to be sourced in Zambia and Brazil, which produce one of the top quality emeralds, and Zimbabwe, Pakistan and Madagascar are also other areas where you can source emerald as well. So in terms of the historical benefits of uses of emerald, the Aztecs actually believed to use emerald they yielded it as a treasure to the conqueror Hernan Cortes, and notably emeralds carved into shapes such as flowers, fish, some examples also the size of a fist as well. And the color of the stone is really sacred to the ancient people of South America, and emerald were also found in ancient Egypt. Cleopatra had her own mine near the Red Sea, and the energy of the healing energies of emerald is believed to be very helping, very calming, very soothing. It's actually believed to help connect you with your creativity, and the green color links you back to nature, and it's very healing, it's very balancing to the heart chakra as we said earlier, and it helps to open you up to divine love as well. So we've talked about emerald today in today's video, the healing benefits of emerald, the history, the geology. If you found this video helpful, like, share and subscribe. We would love to have you on board. Take care and have a great day.